Good day everyone, I'm Jocelina Año and I'm going to discuss what is moral philosophical approach. Moral philosophical approach is one of the oldest approach, which is as old as ancient Greeks and Romanian times. Critics believes that the largest purpose of literature is to teach morality and philosophy, which means it focuses on values that affects the readers. Moral philosophical approach has advantage and disadvantage. Let's go to advantage. One of the advantage is recognizes that the literature has an effect on the readers. It is through the message and the number 2, the values. Values that gives of every literary works. The disadvantage of this moral philosophical approach is it can be too judgmental. Why it can be too judgmental? Because some of literary works that fitted to moral philosophical approach has this negative and positive character. Do you know who are they? These two persons is known for moral philosophical approach because Plato emphasizes humanity and utilitarianism. Horace believed that literature should be delightful and instructive. What works are clearly written to be subject in moral philosophical approach. We have here fables, allegories, and morality plays. Let's have the example works from fables. Are you familiar with the Aesop's fables? Example works in fables. 1. The tortoise and the hare, which gives the moral of never give up. Second, the true frog, the ants and the grasshopper. It shows the values that work hard and play hard. The next is the bell and the cat, which shows that ideas are good, but execution is better. Another example of literatures are Anna Karenina by Leo Tolstoy and number 2, The Republic by Plato. It is one of the world's influential works by Plato. Next, we have allegories. In allegories, we have 1. Biblical allegories, 2. Classical allegories, 3. Modern allegory. In biblical allegories, we have The Chronicle of Narnia by C.S. Lewis. In classical allegories, we have Allegory of Cave, which is made by Plato. And in modern allegories is the Lord of the Rings by J.R.R. Tolkien. The last but not the least is in the example works are morality plays. Morality plays is medieval theme, which is also known as interludes, at yet theatrical. It's theatrical, shows with or without values. The example of morality plays are The Castle of Perseverance and Mind, Will, and Understanding, and Mankind.